Now, as we can see, the Today box is divided horizontally right here. And the top portion of the window, which is referred to as My Workplace, is centered around the files you have on your computer and anything stored on your hard disk. Whereas the bottom half of the Today window, as indicated by this web icon, is centered around various hyperlinks and online features that are centered around Autodesk Point A, which is basically an online database and resource for you to refer to if you have any questions or need to update your AutoCAD 2000i files. Let's just concentrate on the top of the screen for now. As you can see, we have the Open Drawings tab activated, and in this box we have a list of files that were most recently used. If we want to change how these drawings are sorted, we simply click on the drop-down list box and 4 options appear. We can sort our recent files by date, by file name, by location, or most recently used. Let's just go down to History by Date and activate it by left-clicking. And here we have a list of recently opened files that are sorted by date, as we just indicated. Now, if you want to generate a preview of any of these items, simply move your mouse over the drawing name, and a preview will occur in the right-hand side of the Open Drawings box, in this gray area right in here. If you leave your mouse over a drawing name for an extended period of time, not only will a preview be generated, but a text field will appear giving you some important document information. In this case, we see where the drawing is located on our directory and the date and time it was last modified. If the drawing you want to open does not appear in this box, you can go up to the Browse option and left click, and you can search your directory for any documents you may wish to open. In this case, let's just click Cancel. Now let's move on to the Create Drawings tab. Activate it, we left click the tab, and here is basically the same window as the Open Drawings tab, except past AutoCAD users will recognize these 3 options. You can create a template drawing, you can start from scratch, or you can open a wizard that will guide you through the open drawing process. If we choose template, we have a list of templates listed alphabetically, and create a preview by simply moving your mouse over the drawing name. And to open it, you left click once and AutoCAD will bring up the indicated drawing. If we choose Start from Scratch, we can choose our units and measurements and the scale we want to use on our drawing. And if we go to Wizards, we can choose either Quick Setup or Advanced Setup. Let's just choose Quick Setup. And this is the same pop-up that used to occur in AutoCAD 2000 and previous releases of AutoCAD. And this allows you to create a document from scratch using a wizard that guides you through the process. Let's just click Cancel, and we'll bring back up the Today window. And we also have the Symbol Libraries tab. Let's open it by left clicking. And here we have a modified version of the Design Center, which allows you to import blocks and individual files from other drawings you have located on your hard drive. So let's just say we want to bring up the Kitchens options, so we left click Kitchens, and this automatically brings up the AutoCAD Design Center, which is new in AutoCAD 2000i. And as you can see here, we have a list of options that allows us to simply transfer one of these blocks into our existing drawing by simply dragging and dropping, and it appears on our screen. If you want to create a preview, we expand this box, you click this tab, and preview is generated in the bottom of the Design Center box. Let's just exit out of it and go back into the Today window. You can also edit symbol libraries by clicking the Edit tool, and you can browse for libraries that may not appear when you open the Design Center, or you could add a link to the internet or a particular drawing file. And let's just click Cancel. And down here, as we said before, it's set around a bunch of links to send you to the Autodesk Point A online center. We're not going to concentrate too much on this area, but in the top right you see a bulletin board. This bulletin board you can customize by using the Autodesk Point A link, and this will give you updates and various features that you can customize online.